Amtech is also gone. Oops. Did not mean to press 3, but it's whatever. Sounds like it's a new door operator too. Looks like they left most of the cab original for this one. You can see the flooring is still original. I think the light panels are original because they've been like that already. New innovation fixtures. This was formerly an Amtech. I'll have the original video, elevator video posted below. And up on 4. This thing shakes a lot more. Well, it's not an entirely great mod, but it's alright. Anyways, that will be it.